Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So find the general solution to this equation here, and the red line here is this here. Looking at this here, you can see 0 here, 360 here. So our normal cos of x looks something like this. Because there's a 5 here, you can see it gets compressed. So there's really roughly 5 cycles in our normal 360. Looking at this here, you can see because it's a plus, there's a shift. Can you see? Normally this point is right here. Then there's a shift here. There's a horizontal shift, and the shift is actually 30 over 5. That's the shift from here to here. Okay, so I know it's hard to see, but there is a small shift across here. Well, even though there's a small shift, you can still solve this. And also before I normally ask you, whenever you see this here, factorize out the 5. So normally in the past I would ask you to do this, factor this out here, so this becomes 30 over 5. Well, you see, in the past I would ask you to do this here just so that you can picture the transformation inside your mind. But now I'm asking you to solve this thing here, so you don't care about the movement of the graph. You only care about the solution. So here you don't need to factor out the 5. Remember, factoring out the 5 allows you to see the transformation each step of the way. Here at the moment you don't care about the transformation. You only care about solving, about finding out the solutions to x. Okay, so we don't need to factor out the 5. So looking at this here, we are trying to solve this here, negative 0.3. So negative 0.3 will be somewhere down here. So here you can see that there are lots of solutions here, here. Well, find the general solution to this thing here. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, let's just try and visualize it as this. Hang on. So let's just try and visualize it as this. Cos bubble equals negative 0.3. So the bubble here. So bubble equals, hang on, bubble equals inverse cos of negative 0.3. So you would jump to your calculator. So yeah, jump to your calculator. So negative 0.3. So 0.3. Stick a minus sign and then inverse cosine. Okay, so I'm going to round it off to 107. 107. Okay, so 107 is our principal solution. So visualizing, hang on, just quickly sketch this thing here, our cos sine here. Sorry, our cos of x graph here. So this here would be 360. 360. This here would be 180. This here is 90, and this here is 270. Okay, so 100. So we are trying to solve negative 0.3. So this point, this 107 here is this point here. Okay, and so this will be 107 plus multiples of 360 n. Okay, and then we still need to find out this point. It's symmetrical along here, so develop your own way of doing it. I'm just going to get 360 here, and then take away this distance here. Okay, so for me to find out this bit here, I'm just going to get 360, take away this distance here, which also happens to be 107. Okay, so this would be hang on, 5 here, 1 here, so it's 3, 5, 2. So this is our first set of solutions. Our second set, we need an and in here, and 2, 5, 3 plus multiples of 360. So here, so this is our first set of solutions. This is our second set of solutions. And then this is for all n belonging to a set of integers. Okay. So yeah. So now, so don't forget, bubble here equals this whole thing here. But don't forget, within our bubble here, we've got 5x. Hang on, 5x plus 30 here. Okay, so looking at this set only, looking at this set for the time being, we will sort this out later on. So looking at this for the time being, so this will be 5x plus 30 equals 107 plus multiple of 360 here. Okay, so now take away 30 from both sides. So this will be 77 plus 360n, 5x here, and then divide both sides by 5. So this will be x equals, I'm just going to leave as a fraction, this plus well you can do it like this, divided by 5 here, n here. Okay, so oh yeah, does this simplify? Well, let's see. Yeah, it should simplify here. So hang on, let me jump to my calculator, clear this. 360 divided by 5 equals this, 72. Oops. Hang on. So this here simplifies to 72. Okay. So this will be x equals 77 over 5 plus 72 n. Okay. And then that's our first set done. That's our first set done here. Now we've got to take care of this this set here. Okay. So hang on. So back to the bubble here. Back to the bubble equaling what was it? Equaling what was it? Hang on. Equaling this here. So bubble here equals the second set here. Okay. So it's 253. Hang on. 253. 253. 253. Remember, plus multiples of 360 here. This was 3x. What was it? 3x plus, sorry, 5x plus 30. Sorry, hang on. So the bubble here is 5x plus 30. Okay, so now let me just double check. Yep, it's 5x plus 30. And then kill off this 30 here. So take away 30 from both sides. So 5x here. Take so this will be 2, 3 plus 360n. Divide both sides by 5. So this will be 223 over 5. Earlier we worked it out. It's 72n here. So this is our second set. Okay, so for you to write, so you can write x equals remember, this is our first set of solutions here. Okay, equals 77 over 5, 77 over 5 plus what was it, 72n, and okay, and this is our second set of solutions here. So and 223 over 5 plus 72n, and then you have to state for all n belonging to the set of integers. Okay, so this here is your overall final. Yeah. So remember to state this. In the last video, I forgot to state this. Okay.